What's going on, everyone? I'm Zach, Exertion Outdoors, and today we're going to be doing a little unboxing video. Super excited to show you guys my new ice fishing equipment for the year here. We got, let's see here if the lighting is okay. This is the Ice Team Yukon XL Thermal Flip Over Fish House. And we're gonna wait no longer and we're gonna get to unboxing this thing. All right, we got her out of the box. Now, first of all, I'm going to apologize. The lighting probably isn't the greatest down here, and my basement's an absolute disaster. I've been meaning to clean it, but we work seasonally, so we do lawn and landscape for work here. I own a lawn and landscaping company, Blades LLC. I have a YouTube channel all about my work that I do, but yeah, we've been super busy this year. You haven't seen me if you follow my channel, Exertion Outdoors. We're going to have some good things coming this winter, but you guys are all here to watch me do this fish house, so we're going to get into that. We're going to see what we got here in the sled. Looks like we have, oh, that's pretty cool. Let's just set that off to the side here for now. It looks like we have the travel cover. Worry about that later. This is the canvas. Looks like we got some bag of some sort there. The poles, obviously, light. I think there's some light switch stuff in there too. We'll just pull the canvas out right now. Got a couple of, those must be the butt pads. Backrests. Set those aside. So we got some poles here. And as you can see, there's some other poles, the tops that go, you know, on the top of the fish house. This must be the seat bar right here. I'll set that off to the side here somewhere. A couple of bent poles here, aluminum. And let's see here. Looks like a battery mount. Some rope for pulling. Set that aside. Now I have done a clam Nanook before, and this, I believe, screws into the bottom of the canvas and goes to the bottom of the sled. So I think you have to have a screw gun to do this, but I could be wrong on that. Don't quote me yet. I'm not into the directions yet. So this is the second of the two seats right here coming out. And we got a box here. Rogers, Minnesota, right down the road. Probably a 25-minute drive from me here. We're in central Minnesota. Ooh, I don't know what's in this. We will, I'm going to mount this back up here and we'll pop this open for you guys. All right, just as I kind of expected, the hardware looks like brackets. Wow, there's a lot of pulls and stuff in here, isn't there? A little bit of assembly required, it looks like here, but it's not a big deal. We'll show you guys kind of how this thing works. Seat swivels, 2 of those. This must be the brackets for the poles. Poles. Before I get started, I'm going to make sure that I have a cordless impact drill or gun or something ready to go so we can kind of get a time on about how long this takes. I'm going to make sure that's charged up in case we need it. And then, yeah, we're going to get to building here, and we'll start a timer. We'll probably do some time lapse, and we'll see about just how long this takes to put together. All right, here she is. So behind me, we have the Clam Ice Team Yukon XL Thermal, Dave Gens. And it is a little bit of a task to get together, but it does work out all right. Let's see what time it is here. I took about a half-hour break, but it did take me about 3 hours to complete. So it's a little bit of work, but it can be done. It's relatively simple. The good thing is everything's packaged super nice, and it goes together relatively simple. It's a little bit of a challenge to get the fabric nice and tight in the back, or for the most part, and then the seats, and then the kind of holders that go underneath them, I guess they would be. So those were a little bit challenging, but other than that, highly recommend it. You got to be kind of careful under the seats when you're putting cushions on. I did tear a little bit of the Velcro underneath there, or one of the tabs that holds the Velcro. So just be careful of that. Don't tug on those things too hard. I'll probably be sewing those back up. But anyways, went well. Would highly recommend getting one of these shacks. And I hope you guys will comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. And we'll soon have this thing on the ice. So you'll be seeing more of it. As for now, I'm Zach, Exertion Outdoors. You just watched the assembly of the fish house, and we will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.